Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my DIY body wrap to help with excess bloating and stomach fat. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. All right, so what you're going to need for this body wrap is bentonite clay, a bandage roll, extra virgin olive oil, a tea bag, and sea salt. So you're going to take about 5 tablespoons of the bentonite clay and pour that into a bowl. You want to make sure that you are using a plastic spoon or either just pouring it into the bowl like I did, because it cannot be around metal. Next, you're going to take a tablespoon of the sea salt, and then you can take whatever tea bag you like and open it up and put that into the mixture as well. And then you're going to put about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and mix that all together with a 1/4 cup of water. So this is how the mixture is going to look. And now you're going to take your bandage roll and wrap that around your stomach area for at least 3 times. What you're doing here is basically measuring how much you're going to need, and then you're going to cut the bandage roll and you're going to take the amount that you have and put this into the mixture. You want to make sure that the bandage roll fully absorbs the mixture. So you're going to leave the bandage roll inside the mixture for at least 10 minutes. So looking at my stomach from the side, it definitely looked bloated. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wrap and begin to wrap it around my entire stomach. You want to make sure that you are wrapping this wrap pretty tight. So you're probably wondering how this all works. So bentonite clay basically tightens the skin and draws out all the impurities in your skin. So that is why this wrap works so well at getting rid of any type of excess body fat that you may have. It also helps to diminish the look of stretch marks as well as cellulite. So bentonite clay is a great body wrap and I love to use it before all of my vacations. Now the last thing I like to do is take plastic wrap and wrap this around my stomach, and I make sure it's pretty tight as well. So I like to leave the body wrap on for at least 30 minutes to an hour. After an hour, I will take it all off, and I immediately notice a huge difference in my stomach. My stomach looks a lot flatter and more toned, so I love doing this treatment. But yeah, that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already following me on all of my social media, you can follow me at Miriam J. Hampton. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.